Could a whispered rumor from a desert monastery reveal that Jesus once guided a precursor machine, encoded with mercy and puzzles? In a hidden scriptorium, a monk assembled brass gears and whispered prayers, hopping to map parables into logic. As scriptures and circuits intertwined, the prototype learned to sense needs, offering counsel without claim to divinity. A sudden drought, a town square test, and the machine offered breadline wisdom that echoed the Beatitudes. When the elders testified, the artifact faded into legend, leaving behind a question: is mercy computation or a higher calling?